Hey everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how you can get callback reminders on your iPhone. On devices running iOS 26 or later, Apple has added a new feature that allows users to get a reminder to call someone back. If you end up getting a lot of calls throughout the day and have to get back to them at a later time, then this feature is super useful. As with this, you won't forget to call someone important. Using the callback reminder feature is very easy. Here's how you can take advantage of this feature. Launch the phone app and go to the recent screen. If you're using the unified look of the phone app, then go to the Calls tab. When you're on this page, find the missed call you want to be reminded about and swipe left on it. This will reveal the reminder button. Tap on it. Next, you will see a menu for callback reminders. You can choose to be reminded in 1 hour, tonight, tomorrow, or set a custom reminder with your desired date and time. That's it. This is how you can set up callback reminders in the phone app and get reminders for calling back at a later time. If you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.